Meet the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, Samsung's latest mid-range phone built to give you flagship-like features without the flagship price.
Right out of the box, the A37 5G feels premium, with a slim profile and a clean, modern glass design.
It features Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front and back, paired with a durable plastic frame for everyday protection.
At 162.9 by 78.2 by 7.4 millimeters and 196 grams, it's slim, light, and comfortable to hold for hours.
The Galaxy A37 5G comes in 4 awesome finishes: charcoal, gray-green, white, and lavender, something for every style. Up front is a massive 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, delivering vibrant colors and deep, punchy contrast in every scene. With a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling, gaming, and swiping feel fluid and responsive, with virtually zero lag.
Peak brightness hits an impressive 1900 nits, so visibility stays strong even under harsh, direct sunlight outdoors.
The screen packs a sharp 1080 by 2340 resolution at 385 pixels per inch, keeping text and images crisp. Under the hood runs the Exynos 1480 chipset, an octa-core processor built on an efficient 4nm process. You get up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of fast UFS storage, giving you plenty of room to multitask. Whether you're messaging, streaming, or juggling multiple apps, the A37 5G handles daily tasks smoothly without hesitation. Casual and mid-tier games run comfortably too, thanks to the Xclipse 530 GPU keeping frame rates steady. It ships with Android 16 and Samsung's One UI, offering a clean, intuitive, and highly customizable experience. Samsung promises 6 major Android OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates. Real long-term value here. On the back sits a 50-megapixel main camera with HDR support, capturing detailed, vibrant shots in good lighting. An 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 5-megapixel macro camera round out the triple system for versatile shooting. Nightography-inspired software processing helps brighten low-light shots, though it works best for casual, everyday photography. The A37 5G records stable 4K video at 30 frames per second, perfect for everyday social media content. Up front, a 12-megapixel selfie camera delivers sharp, natural-looking photos and smooth 4K selfie videos too. Powering it all is a massive 5000 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day of moderate to heavy use. It supports 45-watt wired fast charging, getting you back to full power quickly whenever you're running low. With an IP68 rating, the A37 5G resists dust and can survive accidental splashes or brief water exposure. You get full 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC, everything needed to stay connected fast. To sum up the strengths: gorgeous display, all-day battery, solid cameras, premium build, and long software support.
On the downside, there's no charger in the box, and ultra-wide shots lose some detail in low light. That's the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. Practical, capable, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
If you want a dependable, stylish phone without paying flagship prices, the A37 5G is an easy recommendation.
That's the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. Practical, capable, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.